If you see one in store, if you really, really like a color, my advice is for you to get it. It's not gonna come back unless you wanna pay resale. Starting at $8,000, not including tax, not including shipping. That's kind of crazy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Angelica and I have some big freaking news for you guys. First of all, y'all see anything new in the background? It's not a tiny bag, it's a big bag. I purchased my dream freaking Chanel bag for the first time on my own, okay? And this is got to be one of the biggest milestones I've hit. I cannot wait to show you guys, and I promise I would do an unboxing and review, first impressions. I just got home. So this girl is pretty new. Let's go ahead and find a spot to sit down and unbox this entire It Girl bag because girl, we all hate waiting. Let's go. Okay, we're actually gonna be trying a brand new spot today in my gorgeous corner. What the hell is this? It's Miss Chanel-y. I cannot believe that I solidified this bag that, by the way, has been on my freaking Pinterest board for months. Love the ribbon. I love the wrapping. I don't even want to pull it, but we're gonna get straight into it. Originally, I think they only had the small, medium, and large, but now they kind of discontinued the size large just because it kind of is overbearing, to say the least. I think the metallic colors were on my list first. Since that was last year's launch, it's not coming back ever again. I have a few Chanel bags already, some that my mom has gifted me. So I've never stepped into a boutique by myself and done this on my own. So honestly, I did not have a sales associate prior to this. Why does this look like the cutest folder ever? No offense, why do I think this was a free paper journal? Instead, it has like the surfaces and all that stuff. Basically educating you guys on Chanel and what they offer. For the past few days, I actually have been vlogging this entire series where my Instagram followers help choose and pick what color Chanel bag that I'm gonna be getting. Not even Christmas, not even my birthday. I'm just honestly celebrating a career milestone. This looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, what the heck? First impressions, be like, what color did I get? Holy freaking, I feel like a kid getting spoiled, except it's just me spoiling myself. Gorgina. This is the seasonal color in light beige. A lot of the times, I think you probably have seen different types of beige come out in different collections, but this one is in the spring summer 2026. So this unfortunately is not going to come back. If you see one in store, if you really, really like a color, my advice is for you to get it. It's not going to come back unless you want to pay resale, which is starting at $8,000, not including tax, not including shipping. That's kind of crazy. So first of all, I went and tried it in store because online the photos kind of look more lighter than usual, and I was honestly scared for the color transfer. And that's one thing that I wanted to think about when purchasing like a Chanel bag in caviar leather, and that's the thing. I came into the store wanting probably gold hardware, but the color transfer, the lighter the bag is, this is something for you to consider. It might have a color transfer issue depending on the things that you are wearing. Just be very, very mindful of that, of course. Just don't wear denim, guys, with these bags that are very, very light. Don't wear anything that's like black, something that's not totally been washed multiple times just in case. One thing to note is that the gold hardware, it's very warm. I love this because I usually like to wear gold everywhere anyways. I do also wear silver as well, so I mix and match. It really doesn't matter, but I feel like it kind of brings out my skin warmth. I don't know, it just complements it very well. Metal to this isn't necessarily matte, but it's also not super shiny. It's a little bit scratched up, like vintage looking, and that's like the style to it. Pockets, I heard that it's also very, very small. You're not gonna be able to fit an iPhone in there. I honestly don't really care about an iPhone fitting in this just because I would rather just put it in here and just take it out. Here though, you can put your cash, your card holder, you can even put your lip combo in here. Just something that's very thin, small, whatever, right? Same goes for this side as well. So I definitely wanna be able to secure kind of like a lip combo in there. I hate digging inside my bag trying to find my 3 trio. Girl, it's a struggle out here. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a small pocket slit right here for you to put anything in there. Same goes for the other side on the bottom as well right here. And obviously the leather part right here, Chanel, small little tiny flap opening right there. Press the double C, pull it up front, just very, very easy. Just like that, and it opens really, really quick, and it just collapses into the cutest little purse ever. Now the question is, Is it light? Absolutely. I don't jam pack a bunch of stuff anyways in here. Let me know if I should do like a what's in my bag. This is such an awkward way of sitting on my chair right now, but just so you guys can see. So originally I was debating on the black or this, but I have too many black Chanel bags and I just feel like I don't need another black one in my collection. Like I wanted something that would stand out. It's good for everyday wear. It matches with majority of my freaking outfits anyways. They have released so many different types of beige, a very, very light beige that's like kind of like a cream off-white, so way lighter than this. And they also have a darker one that looks very muddy in my personal opinion. I feel like this is probably the best one. Even in the lighting though, it looks a little bit different. Upon pickup day, my sales associate actually pulled out a dark denim and it looked so freaking beautiful. It was also $5,700, so it was way cheaper than this one. I just feel like if this sold out, I would have gotten the dark denim. Can I tell you guys how I even got this bag without a waitlist and without a prior essay? I live in the city of Seattle, you guys. It's a very small city, so I just feel like competition-wise, it's not as bad as LA, New York City, Miami, whatever. I wanted to possibly see if I could walk in or book an appointment depending on how busy they are. I mentioned 2 other sales associate names from people that I know that they had. Just didn't want to ask those people for the contact because I just would rather just get the connection myself. Went in, tried on 2 different bags, the black caviar one and also the beige. They had a yellow one too, and mind you, you guys can look at all of these footage, my whole Chanel series, okay, on my Instagram and TikTok and stuff. When I tried on the black, for some reason, I didn't really like it as much, and plus I had too many black bags. This beige, however, even though I'm scared of getting it dirty in the bottom, like look at the edges. Like even if I scuffed it something, I would actually cry. I wanted to think on it for the next 2-3 days, however long it took me, to really research the fabric care for 1. 2, how much am I gonna use this? 3, it is a heavy purchase, so can I wait for something like this? Or do I have to buy it now because of the stock, the inventory? I even asked my best friend for honest advice. Don't just tell me to get the bag. Tell me what color bag, because I know I'm gonna secure this bag either way. And not a lot of people have talked about this. They just do a lot of show and tell. But if you guys are not in a rush, then you can always wait for the black or the white. That's always gonna be a classic, like a basic that's gonna be restocking as time goes on throughout the entire month. In terms of seasonal colors, those will only drop per new season. So for example, the Cruise 25-26 season that dropped with all the metallics, with everything else, can't get that back. But yeah, I do want to show you guys what I wore for today. Tips moving forward: if you are going to walk into a Chanel and you don't have prior experience, I would 1, highly recommend you book an appointment or call in advance, and 2, know exactly what you are looking for in terms of the fabric, because personally for me, I knew that I wanted any color except for white. I wanted caviar leather, but I did not want any suede and possibly no denim, which is funny because I didn't know that there was like a darker denim like that. Wouldn't be a problem with color transfer as much, unless the whole bag was soaked, for example, and I'm in the rain and it's up against this, then it would probably maybe bleed onto this white blazer that I have going on here. And number 3, I do recommend doing a bunch of research with everything, like to the T. The size, the durability, versatility, and ask yourself, do you really want this, or do you need it? Or maybe both. Today, I just wore something a little bit casual, but still modest and professional looking, if that makes sense. I had this outfit on because I wanted to try it on with what it would look like with this outfit, just in case I wanted to change my mind and like pick another bag color, or like just pick another bag in general. I don't know. It is a hefty purchase, so I advise for you to think smart, research a lot, but also if it's a seasonal color, think fast. Girl, I am not kidding. Every single fiber of me is entirely grateful. Without you guys and your support, you know, the viewership, the engagement, you supporting me and my sister growing up, or you supporting me and my boyfriend's long distance relationship 3 years ago, and just me going through every single phase, every single journey, like I would not be here without you guys. And I love making these type of videos anyways. I want to be able to educate. I want to be able to, I don't know, it's kind of fun shopping, right? But at the same time, you got to know what you want. It's such a good feeling to cross off that one dream bag off of your list. 5-10 years ago, I dreamt of being in this position. Life does not feel real. But yeah, girlies, we did it. We secured it. Feel free to follow me on all the other socials, you guys. That way you can see all the updates on this bag, on my shopping journey, everything. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye.
Cozy.